Mm-mm. Get out.
Okay, ano doon?
This made the ball right. Bro. What the hell?
Sino yun?
Cookie down. Don't
What?
get that This
Oh,
one's
bakit
too
walang
low.
stick sa'yo?
Bro, yo, shut up.
Wag ka. Dito ko nga ako nagalo ko. Sige mo. Hey, daw na. Ay, sige mo ako. Kasi, sige mo. Ito nga ako basta multo. Yung stalker? Oo. Mamaya coffee pinakain.
Oh, alam ko, bro. Sit sa head up, bro. Huwag do not check in that guy, bro.
I want coffee. Not this coffee. Aliwag. Sige, kaya first. Nakita lang ako dito sa window, oh. Kikita ako dito sa window. Oo, kapanin mo ko na. Iya, bawal talo mo. Okay? Okay. Makita lang dito. Bili ka lang tumingin. Pero bawal kang mag-click. Bakal. Surgery!
Dapat. Apa? You didn't get out of here, bro.
Where
Buddy.
are we? Safe.
Bro, just get out.
Nani na coffee, okay? Bakit? Ano ba itong coffee? Ayan, nagtitiro sa ato.
Until I 30%.
Kaya sa'yo ko nakuha. At ako, okay lang ako may
Nah, bro.
speed. It's fine.
Ha 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 ha. Bro, shut up.
Hello.
Bro, not Barney. Not Barney again, bro. Stupida.
Halika, labas. Halika, labas. Ano ka? Labas.
You come when the coffee is not.
Pwede ka lang dito sa pintuan. Hindi ka mag-watch sa pintuan, okay?
Now.
Ayaw. Basta, Leo, huwag ka mag-show up sa loob, okay?
You have to wait 10 hours. You have to day. You have to wait 10 million years.
Tingin ka lang dyan. Huwag ka mag-move. Hanggang tapos na yan, okay? Hanggang
Bro, y'all shut up.
May coffee.
Bro, Barney. Why do you even
Pwede na
go? Ali, si Boss Alia.
Leo, Alia.
Alia.
Alia,
Punta
pwede
ka
na
din
yung
sa ano,
Sabi
dito.
na Alia yung ano.
Bro,
Yung phone ko. Yung phone ko.
I will kill you, Barney, if you don't come. Where the hell's that girl before I beat you was? You
Wait lang.
you had coffee and you never told me.
Okay na?
Hmm.
Medyo na. Oh, inumin natin ni Alia lahat. Okay?
Hindi, dua lang pa rin.
Ininom na.
Bro! Pupunta pa naman si Bonnie mamaya. Tapos ininom niyo na.
At what's gone? Hindi mo niya bibilin. Ng pera. No, 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 okay. Okay, okay lang. Wait a minute, no. Bad. Yeah, wait lang. Iyan ko kayo nila. Bad. I swear to God, bad. Bad.
Omega, oh, sana, in the house now.
Yeah, what the hell is that? Safe. It's safe. Wait lang. Let's catch camera.
Omega, oh, sana, ako yung secretary. Pero at siya lahat,
Tingin ka nga sa likod.
umalis kayo dyan. Get out, bro. I'm the one who's supposed to be doing this job, not y'all. Make me safe, bro. I'm gonna go crazy. Get the patient. Hey, you mean your family? No, you're here. But you're literally fatherless, motherless, siblingless.
Sisterless.
That's what I mean, bro. Bro, why are you there? You ain't cheating.
Anong ginawin mo dyan?
Yo, shut up. Get out.
Kaya hindi ko yung security camera. Buksan mo. Hello?
That's you. Yeah. I'm taking the taser. You better not touch me. I will tase you all. Do not touch me.
I am dismissed and I hate you. Pera to? Oo. I hate you. I just missing one.
Do not, bro.
I just missing one more and I can just grab this ugly.
Bro, shut up.
I hate you. No, I know. I only have one job, but this nurse gave it another.
Bro, shut up. Fix the camera, bro. 3, 2, 1. Pop. Hehe.
My coffee.
Mine.
Yes, coffee! Paano magtaas? Wala ka? May coffee, okay? Magtaas ako. Tataasin. Oh. I'm gonna have the coffee. A minute. Not good. Wait a minute. Bag first. Good. Ano magawa ko ito? Kulong na ako sa laptop. Yun. Taas. Kaya gusto mo dalawang sanity?
Why?
Chicken window. Hello.
Okay.
Gawin ng sanity. Pagulong ka natin.
You go.
Alia.
Now, where's all the patients going? Come here, you boys. Nastia boys. Not gonna lie, this one's hot.
Tawag!
You ugly.
Okay na? Ay, okay na pala.
You might, you don't ugly. You ain't ugly. Your name is actually pretty good, you know.
Ako sa window ko nag-asking siya. Ay, window. Door. No. Be quiet and steady.
Bro, my leg! When I just check in these two people for one. I need my goddamn sanity. Let me do it, brother. Finally, bro. I just give a shit.
Na.
Drama.
Blue. Green. Red. Blue. Blue. Green. Red. Blue.
Yung may fire extinguisher.
Ako.
Ibalik mo. Ba't mo
Huwag ka niya
skip yan?
Bago siya Alia, i-ano ko.
Caitlyn. Ibalik mo yung fire extinguisher. Ibalik mo yan.
Nurse, patient, bag. Nurse.
Room 6. May surgery. Surgery. One camera down.
I got it.
Cut. What the fuck?
I'll do surgery. I can do it. I can do surgery.
What did you say?
I can do surgery. I will get a cola.
Wait now, bro. Just
I
go.
drink it the Coca-Cola.
I hate my leg, bro. I'm returning the sana.
And I'm really in a surgery.
Shut the hell up, you be hippie, dude.
Ito, oh.
Normal? Normalito.
And
Where is he? Alia!
Oy.
Kailan tumas ka? Bilis!
Ayan, oh.
Na ba? Alis! Alis!
Tumago.
Caitlyn, ba? Ilan na santi mo?
40.
40?
Matago ako dito. Bakit nakalabas ako?
Done.
Sa Mariana. Ano? Yes. Santo at taas.
Coffee!
My turn. My
Window. Kanina ko pakita mo.
Gusto ko naman.
40 ka. Caitlyn! Stop! 39 ka pa. Ikaw. Wait, Alia, kunin mo yung coffee. 22.
Okay. Next coffee is mine. Yum. Saruan. 30. Next room 7. Yummy. A chocolate. And alis. Chew. Ano yun? The nurse to. Bakit na yung nakaupo? Hello? My friend? Bakit ako saan? Ay, dito. Kaya pag ano, mag-treat na, ili mo sa ano, examity niya.
Hindi mo yung nagkakonsarity.
Ano?
Ito na yung mga ako na match ng ibang person. Gusto ko yun pa.
Run away! Oh my goodness. Aliyah, kailangan mo mag-help. Pero Aliyah, sa 1, 2, 3 ka lang, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa 1, 2, 3, 4 ka lang, Aliyah.
Hindi, una natin yung may timer.
Aliyah, iuna mo yung timer, okay? Tsaka,
Kasi na ang pinaka-important.
Aliyah, wag mo si